Thank you for choosing Etrive Gold Skin Solution. In this video, we'll show you how to use it. First, remove the package from the blue bag. Open the box and take off the gold top cover. When you're ready to use it, take out one lyophilized vial. Hold the vial with the backside facing you, so you can clearly see the powder inside. Next, push up firmly from the bottom of the vial. You'll hear a small click. That means the membrane between the liquid and the powder is broken and two contents are mixed. Now, gently swirl the vial upside down a few times until the powder is completely dissolved. Open the vial and use the dropper provided to draw up the serum. Apply it directly to the skin. Once opened, please use the vial within 1 week. You can use this product for anti-aging applications. You can also use it to help quickly reduce redness after skincare procedures.